blink. And the other way? Other way? Yeah. One more. Ah, stop. Yeah, one more time.
You have a remote control here and the module mobile. You put it on your back like this. It's very easy and you have the signalization on your back.
And press.
To be visible, when you use the Clic-Light on the motorcycle, you have the signalization in front of you. The car behind you see what you do when you stopped, when you turn on the right, on the left. It's in front of you. In cycle, you don't have the rear signalization. And when you want to turn on the left, on the right, you use your arm. It's very dangerous. With Clic-Light, you don't use your arm when you turn.